Alright, so today I'm going to be doing the faster JDM intake on the EK9. I've already got a spoon intake elbow here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just work on getting all this stuff out, and then I will work on getting the new one in. Alright, and you can see I try to do stuff the quick way, doesn't really work. Basically I gotta get this, I guess it's just a resonator or something out from underneath here. I may just have a couple more bolts to get off here. Alright, so I got all done. I did have to take the front bumper off. It takes me a while to do that. This side is attached with zip ties, so it's kind of a pain to get it off and then back on. but normally it's pretty easy to do. I don't know where the GoPro died, but yeah, strut tower bar came off. And then as far as what I used, so I used this little bung in the intake itself and just attached it to the breather coming from the valve cover. This on this motor specifically is two of these connected, two of these hard pipes. So I did not end up using this small adapter and this hose separately. I just left with the OEM. It's relatively tight fitment inside here, so it's I feel like it's not going to go anywhere. It's probably going to be totally fine. As far as the fitment of everything else, it's nice and tight. Didn't take too much to get it on. It does flex a little bit, not a lot, nothing I would really worry about. So again, I had to remove this resonator that goes underneath the bumper. It's these long tubes and this big piece that sits under the bumper itself. So the front bumper has to come off to get all that stuff off. But it's not bad. I saved a ton of weight switching over to this, and I feel like it's going to breathe a little bit better. It's going to sound cooler. I'm sure it makes a tiny bit of power, but in my opinion, I mean, it kind of looks better than what I had, even though I do have the cool spoon intake elbow. I wanted something to let me hear the VTEC a little bit more, and you know, this is a car I always wanted as a kid, so I'm buying parts that I would have put on whatever 20 years ago. So it's really coming along. Looks really good. I did make a video about getting the Chasing J's radiator stay and VTEC solenoid hardware. I don't know if I'll just include that short video with all this stuff. It's super easy. I did have to sand down the VTEC solenoid quite a bit to get that cover to fit, just because it's such a tight tolerance. Yeah, and pretty much everything I got going on recently. Got a track day coming up. So I'm going to do an oil change again just after that. I got a spoon oil filter on the way. I don't know if I'll do an oil change video, but yeah, I got these cool stickers. Help me keep track of when I'm doing oil changes. My last one was the first one I did on this car in the year that I had it, but I probably only put a couple thousand kilometers on the car. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, if anybody wants to see anything specific about the car, just let me know. I'm happy to take it out and try to get some videos of it in the future, and I'll try to kind of go through this whole process with everyone as well. Yeah, just let me know if you want to see anything specific, and I'll do what I can to record some more videos and get those up.